So today we are learning how to write a program to generate a multiplication table loop. We are using 4 statements. So let's try to first of all declare the variable to be used in the program. Dim k as integer. So assuming we are integer. So we are also declaring our p also as integer. We are using p variable. We declare it as integer. So what are we doing? We are writing the program. Print. I want the statement to be printed on the screen in quotes. Program to generate table 6. So we want to generate a table 6 now, to 6 times 1 or to 6 times 12. How can we do that? We set up a loop that will count from 1 to 10, and we are using k to represent the number, which is equal to 1 to 12. So we want to generate then p is equal to k multiplied by what? 6. We are generating a multiplication table 6. So let's try to print our result out now. Print in quotes the value of okay. Print first. Let's print our okay, in quotes. Let's do it like way in quotes 6. Use this sign to x for multiplication. 6 multiplied by in quotes semicolon k. So you should print the value of k there. 6 multiplied by k, then semicolon. In quotes, you put the string is equal to, you close your quotation, semicolon, p. Next. Yeah. So this is a simple program that will generate a multiplication table. Print. No, I don't need. Try. Oh yeah. Good. This is a simple program to generate a multiplication table 6.